Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Hello, everyone!
Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome back to our English practice channel.
Today we have a very simple and useful topic.
Yes, today we will talk about your morning routine.
Morning routine means what you do in the morning.
Yes, what do you do after you wake up?
Do you brush your teeth? Do you drink coffee?
Or do you go back to sleep?
Yes, sometimes I do that too.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English practice.
Okay, let's begin. Layla, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. That's good.
Yes, not too early, not too late.
Do you wake up quickly?
Not really. I feel sleepy.
Me too.
Sometimes I open my eyes and close them again.
Ah, yes, just 5 more minutes.
Yes, always 5 minutes, but it becomes 20 minutes.
That's true.
Let's practice a sentence.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you say it.
Yes, say it out loud.
After you wake up, what do you do?
First, I go to the bathroom.
Good. What do you do in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I wash my face.
Nice.
Sometimes I look in the mirror and say,
Oh no.
yes, my hair is crazy.
Morning hair is always crazy. Let's practice. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Your turn. Layla, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Sounds good.
And I drink coffee.
Ah, coffee is very important.
Very, very important.
Without coffee, I am not awake.
Same. I need coffee to be alive.
Let's practice. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Now you try. After breakfast, what do you do?
I take a shower.
Hot shower or cold shower?
Hot shower.
Good choice.
Cold shower is too scary in the morning.
Yes, I agree.
After that, I get dressed.
What do you wear?
I wear simple clothes.
Me too. Nothing fancy in the morning.
Yes, just clean and comfortable.
Let's practice. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Say it with us. What do you do after you get dressed?
I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I take a bus.
Okay.
Sometimes I listen to music.
Nice. That sounds relaxing. I walk to work.
Really? That's healthy.
Yes, but sometimes I feel lazy.
Me too.
Let's practice. I go to work.
I go to work.
I take a bus.
I take a bus.
Your turn. Now let's ask you some questions. Answer in English.
Simple English is okay.
What time do you wake up?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Do you eat breakfast?
What do you eat?
Do you take a shower in the morning?
How do you go to work or school?
Now, let's say a full morning routine.
Listen first, then repeat.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I go to work.
Now you say it. Layla, do you ever forget something in the morning?
Yes, my phone.
Oh no.
One time I went to work, no phone.
Wow, peaceful life.
Yes, but also scary.
I forget my keys sometimes.
Oh, that's worse.
Yes, I stand outside my house like, oh no.
Morning problems.
Hello. We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Great job today.
You practiced a lot of English.
Remember, practice every day.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Now tell us in the comments,
What is your morning routine?
what time do you wake up?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Jason and Layla.
Bye.